Hey, welcome to Dave's Bigfoot videos. Um, I'm gonna call this one Popcorn Nights. You know why? Because I get a thrill out of some of these, and I just, you know, you gotta watch a good movie. Hey, make some popcorn. You want to watch some good videos of Bigfoot? Have some popcorn. I have one big bowl of popcorn. I'm gonna give my laughs. I'm gonna chuckle. I'm gonna even say bullshit. I might even say, you know, you might have seen something out there. I don't know. I don't know. But you know what? Ain't nothing like a good bowl of popcorn while you're watching Bigfoot videos. You better believe it. And I'm gonna watch them tonight. So, hey, come on with me. We're gonna watch some Bigfoot videos. Have some popcorn, have a pop, and get some good laughs. Hey, y'all take care. Bye-bye now.